Hello everyone, myself Muir and today's our topic of discussion is hooks in Java. A class is a set of objects which shares common characteristics, behavior and common properties and attributes. Class is not a real world entity. It is just a template or a blueprint or a prototype from which objects are created. Class does not occupy memory. Class is a group of variables of different data types and a group of methods. A class in Java can contain the data member, method, constructor, nested class, and interface class is user defined blueprint or prototype from which objects are created. It represents the set of properties or methods that are common to all objects of one type. In general, class declarations can include these components in order. First one is modifier. A class can be a public or has default access. Next one is class keyword. Class keyword is basically used to create a class. Next one is class name. The name should begin with an initial letter. Object, it is a basic unit of object oriented programming and represents real life entities. A typical Java program creates many objects which, as you know, interact by invoking methods. The name of the next one is superclass. The name of the class parents, if any, preceded by the keyword extends. A class can only extend one parent. Next one is interfaces. A comma separated list is interfaces implemented by the class if any preceded by the keyword implements. A class can implement more than one interfaces. Next one is body. The class body is surrounded by curly braces. Next one is state. State, it is represented by attributes of an object. It also reflects the properties of an object. Behavior, next one. It is represented by the methods of object. It also reflects the response of an object with other objects. Next, entity. It gives a unique name to an object and enables to object to interact with other objects. Next one is method. There is a predefined class in Java.language package with the same classes. The method returns the class object associated with the class with the given string name. We have to give a fully qualified name for a class. On calling new instance method on this class, object returns a new instance of the class with the given string name. Deserialization. Deserialization is a technique of reading an object from the saved state in the file. Okay, thank you.